Hello guys, welcome to Modern Home. This time I'm going to introduce about awesome coffee machine you should buy. So stay connected to us. Before we started, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a like. Okay, let's start.
Number 5.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Fontier, an industrial designer and the founder of Pakt. I'm excited to introduce our second product, a first-of-its-kind coffee-making kit designed for people that are serious about their travel gear as well as their coffee. We've all stayed places where the coffee setup was less than ideal. Sometimes there's no coffee at all, and you have to venture to the lobby or wander the city looking for it way before you're ready to face the world. There are a lot of great options for making coffee when you're camping using a gas stove. Until now though, there hasn't been a complete kit designed for hotel-style travel that you could fly with. So, we decided to create one.
The Pakt Coffee Kit is the first pour-over kit designed for travel that includes an electric kettle. It's compact, durable, and airline carry-on friendly. It's also built to last. Multiple design innovations make our kit extremely packable and portable. From a source for hot water, to a container for your beans, to a travel mug, we covered everything. As long as you have access to water and electricity, you can make barista-quality coffee anywhere you go. Like nesting Russian dolls, each component of our kit fits inside the next larger one. This means you can pack it in your luggage without having to worry about denting or crushing any of the components, and setup is easy. In less than a minute, you're unpacked and ready to brew. A unique spout and handleless design work together to give you maximum control and the smooth, slow stream you need for a perfect pour-over. We used premium materials throughout to ensure your coffee's flavor isn't affected by any plastic or cheap materials, and that your kit lasts a long time. The kit also meets Pakt's commitment to responsible sourcing and production.
We've obsessed over every detail of this kit, and now we can't wait to put it into the hands of coffee-loving travelers around the world. You might remember us from our previous campaign for the Pakt 1, which helped launch our company. We're excited to bring our second product to life with the support of this awesome crowdfunding community. All right, I gotta get back to work.
Let's go, buddy.
Number 4.
Introducing Coosno, the future coffee table. Ever thought of a fridge that just sits beside you? It brings you not just fresh beer, but entertainment and convenience. This is Coosno, more than just a handy fridge. Coosno is designed for modern life.
Open it.
The sleek minimalist design fits perfectly in your sweet home.
Hello Google, what's the weather?
Coosno is voice control ready with Google Home. Just hold your beer and tell Google to do whatever you want. The stereo system with 6 speakers offers an amazing hi-fi experience wherever you place Coosno, and it is the ultimate eye catcher. Not only the entertaining lifting fridge cabinet, but also the glowing light effect. Coosno is also your smart home hub. The built-in wireless charging chip always keeps your phone and smart device charged. Coosno also comes with a smartphone app, controlling your fridge right in the palm of your hand. And you can also customize the lighting effect for all kinds of scenarios. Get a Coosno. Upgrade your modern life.
Number 3.
Now I love making barista quality coffee for my family and friends.
I can't believe how much coffee I was wasting before.
It looks amazing in my kitchen and is so quiet to use.
With simple controls, I get the right amount of perfectly ground coffee every time.
25 years ago, I started designing premium coffee products. This is where my passion for creating excellent coffee began. Since then, I have learned that barista quality coffee can only be made using exactly the right quantity of really fresh ground beans. I became frustrated because the perfect fresh grind is so difficult to achieve with current grinders due to issues such as retained grind, inconsistent yields, and hoppers full of beans going stale. I soon realised there was nothing on the market that addressed these problems. So, 4 years ago, I set out on a journey to design the solution, the niche grinder. It's simple to use. All you need to do is weigh the exact amount of fresh beans you need for your next coffee drink. Pour them in here, close the lid and switch on. Then watch all your beans being quietly ground by the large professional conical burrs. You then get all those same beans freshly ground here, meaning your grind is as fresh as the beans you use. It's simple, environmentally friendly, and quickly produces precise quantities of fresh ground coffee, saving you money, saving your coffee, saving our planet. The niche grinder's unique no-retain grind design is further enhanced by large conical burrs quietly delivering the coolest, freshest grind possible. The stylish design and premium materials elegantly complement your kitchen. Its total cold storage keeps your workspace clutter-free. We have also added a clear safety interlock lid, giving peace of mind whilst you watch your beans being expertly ground. The infinitely adjustable grind dial makes it easy to produce a complete range of coffees, including espresso, pour over, and French press. I have moved the idea forward from initial sketches and detailed computer designs to over 30 fully working prototypes. I've been joined by a wide range of experts and we have engineered a patent-pending new product. We have combined this classic design with all the features you would expect and more to bring you a coffee grinder like no other. We are working with skilled craftsmen using the highest quality materials and hand-building high-performance grinders here in the UK. We're now at the stage where we are ready to start manufacture. This is where we need your help to fund the first production and make niche a reality. So, if you're passionate about getting the best tasting coffee, back our campaign and be the first to own the niche grinder. Thank you.
Number 2.
Imagine a world in which every cup of tea is tailored to your mood, your preference, so you can experience all the joys and the benefits of tea. Hi, Indiegogo. I'm Irvin, co-founder and CEO of TEAMOSA. For 34 years, my family has been producing and growing tea on our tea plantation in Taiwan. Since the beginning, our mission has remained the same: deliver the most authentic and healthiest tea experience to our customer. That's why we created TEAMOSA, a tea brewing machine that combines the modern science with the art of the traditional tea making. The brewing process is very important to make a perfect cup of tea. Brewing with water too hot can damage the natural antioxidants in the teas. Steeping time too long will create the bitter flavors, so many people add artificial flavors and sweeteners. TEAMOSA is an automated tea master which learns your preference to taste. We utilize a special extraction method, ultrasonic extraction, which rapidly takes flavor out of tea and enhance antioxidants and aroma naturally. You can use TEAMOSA paper capsule or you can use your own loose tea leaves. Once you insert paper capsule, TEAMOSA scans the capsule and sets the optimal brewing temperature and steeping time. Alternatively, if you use your own loose tea leaves, you can customize the brewing process and enjoy the tea exactly how you like it.
Number 1.
This is Brew, the world's first automated tea machine developed to make brewing tea in your home or office faster, easier, and more consistent. At the twist of a dial and push of a button, you can make the perfect cup of tea every time. With Brew, you're not limited to expensive capsules or pods. With our included stainless steel spoon and sieve, you can use any tea bags, loose leaf, or any other type of tea you like. Exploring new flavors has never been easier. Here's how it works. Fill the 2-liter tank on the back, use the spoon or sieve to place the tea of your choice inside, and close the lid. Place your cup on the removable drip tray, and then use the dial on the front to customize the brewing time, temperature, and water quantity to your preference. Press start and continue with your day while Brew does the rest for you. No mess, no fuss. Built-in safety sensors prevent accidental spillages, and our dishwasher-safe glass brewing chamber is perfectly shaped to make sure you get every last drop, minimizing waste. For those that want effortless self-cleaning, the Brew Plus model features our unique ring outlet that not only fills the brewing chamber evenly, but also fully rinses it after each cycle to keep it clean and fresh for next time. For those times when one cup isn't enough, Brew features an infinity pour mode that'll dispense water at the temperature of your choosing until you tell it to stop or the tank empties. We're waging war on the home kettle and want to help cut down on the millions of liters of wasted water each year from boiling of overfilled kettles. Every part of Brew has been specifically developed to make the tea brewing process fast, easy, and efficient, so you can enjoy the perfect cup of tea at the push of a button. Disposing of used tea is clean and simple. All removable parts like the catch tray and brewing chamber are dishwasher safe, so maintaining your machine couldn't be easier. We've been working with expert industrial designers to take Brew from an early concept right through to being ready for manufacturing. We've tested and drank hundreds of cups of tea and cannot wait to get Brew into the kitchens of fellow tea drinkers all around the world.